everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this video I'm gonna show you a soft glam makeup look that everyone can wear. I love this type of eye look where you use the darkest color that you use also for your eyeliner, and it just gives a really subtle effect. And I also only went in with mascara to keep this all more on the neutral side. So the first thing I did was priming my eyelids, and I'm using the MAC Cosmetics Paint Pot in the color Soft Ochre, which is my absolute favorite primer. I always tell you guys this, but it's just my personal favorite. Then I went in with this new palette, which is by the Balm Cosmetics. It's called the Fun Guy palette. It only has 6 shades, but they're really beautiful and they blend it out really nicely. So I went in with this kind of like neutral brown color, and I'm gonna start blending this all the way in my crease area. And I'm just gonna blend this from like the beginning to the end and kind of like making sweep motions going back and forth. Now I did make some looks for the Balm Cosmetics because they recently launched this palette and they wanted me to make 3 looks and photograph. But I felt like when I just create this eye look, let me just film it as well, because I don't know, if I would make the eye look, I would be kind of like, if I would like the look, I feel like I should have filmed this. So I decided to just film all 3 of the looks and just use it for my own YouTube channel, because I don't know, it kind of feels like wasting my time if I would make a look and not film it for you guys. So that's why I created this, and I actually really like this look. It's kind of like my favorite kind of soft glam go-tos. If someone would invite me to do like their bridal makeup, it would be kind of like an eye look like this, maybe with different colors, maybe a little bit more, just less warm, but of course it depends on what the person wants me to do. But like just in general, this type of eye look is just soft, but not too soft, if that makes sense, and just really subtle. I just really like it. And it's also really nice for any occasion. Like if you are, I think it's definitely something I would wear to work. But of course, I know some people actually are not allowed to wear makeup to work. I'm not sure if that's the case many times. Let me know in the comments if you are allowed to wear makeup to work. I'm really curious to know. In the Netherlands, it's actually super normal to wear makeup. I can't really come up with any like job that doesn't allow it. I know there are like some like companies that don't allow like fake nails and stuff, and I totally can understand. I actually one time received a package with like a fake nail in it, which was really disgusting. So I totally understand that that's not allowed. That was so gross. I don't even remember what kind of package it was, but it was really nasty. But yeah, let me know if you are allowed to wear makeup to work. I don't know what I was saying, but yeah, I really like this type of eye look basically. So now I went in with this orangey color and kind of blending this in the outer V of the eyelid, kind of like the outer portion, making circular motions with my brush. So this is gonna warm up the eye look a little bit more, since this eyeshadow has more of like a orangey undertone. And I'm also just trying to cover up this area and also blending it a little bit around the crease area as well. I'm just continuing to blend. I'm actually going to London this weekend from Friday until Wednesday or Tuesday. I'm not quite sure. I believe it's Tuesday. So I won't be uploading a lot, but when I'm back, you guys will get a lot of videos. I have told in one of my previous videos that I was actually going through a hard time. Something happened in my personal life that I will tell you guys about later in the future, but I'm not ready for that as of right now. But I haven't really uploaded a lot because of that, and now I have this trip, so I don't have a lot of time to film a lot of makeup looks. But when I'm back, which is next week already, I am really motivated to film a lot of glam looks. I'm also secretly kind of happy that the whole Halloween time is over. I always find it so awkward because was it October? Yes, in October, I always feel like I should like upload Halloween looks, but it's not really my thing. And now that it's November, I feel like, yes, I have an excuse to upload a lot of glam looks, and I'm just here for it. I can't wait to upload more glamorous looks. So keep an eye out for that. And also in my previous video, I asked you guys if you wanted to see me do like a full face tutorial, and then after the tutorial take you guys with me, kind of like a vlog, what I'm doing the rest of the day. And this is also like a nice opportunity to like tell you guys how my makeup is like doing during the day, like if it's staying in place. So I think actually Tati did that. I'm not sure if she still does it. I actually haven't watched her videos lately, but I knew like back in the days she actually did something like that, and I really liked it. It just makes the whole video more personal, and I always feel like I'm not really showing you guys a lot of me, like my personal life, so this way I can kind of like combine it together, which if people don't want to see it, they can just skip at the end of the video, and if you do want to watch, like you can continue to watch. I just really like the idea, and you guys really seem to like think positively about it, so I think I'm definitely gonna do it. Now I don't have a vlog camera, so I'm gonna see if I can just do it with my phone, because my phone actually records 4K. So I just want to see if that's like good enough, like how the sound is. But I will keep you guys posted. Hopefully I can post my first kind of video next week, or maybe it will be the week after. So now it's time for mascara. I feel like I've been talking so much. Hopefully by seeing me just doing what I do, it all kind of makes sense. I used kind of like a coppery pencil in the waterline, which is by Charlotte Tilbury. I will put the name in the description bar. It's super pretty. And then for my mascara, I used the Balm Cosmetics, I believe it's called the Nuit mascara, but I will link everything down in the description bar in case you're curious like what I all used on my eyeball. So yeah, this is also almost the end of the look. If you want, of course, you can finish off the eye look with some false lashes. That will be so pretty. I mean, false lashes always make everything so much better. But I wanted to keep it more on the neutral side so everyone is able to recreate it and achieve the same results. So yeah, this is the end result. I really hope you all enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar